Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you this very yummy, healthy weight loss salad recipe you can have as lunch, dinner to help you lose several calories. And the more you eat, the more you lose those calories. And this is the best way you can consume your broccoli for weight loss, as it is very yummy as well. Broccoli is very good at facilitating you to lose weight because it contains high amounts of fiber, like it is almost fiber based. Load up your system, keep you so full while helping you lose a lot of weight. So you need one stem of broccoli. What I do is I wash it with hot water and I add in some honey in. So you want to put in some hot water, add some honey. I add in 1 tablespoon of honey to bring in that taste to your broccoli. Broccoli can be boring to eat, like I can't eat this raw, but when I steam it up a little bit with some honey, it tastes so wonderful. So you want to get 1 tablespoon of honey in your hot water with broccoli in, kind of mix just to bring in some taste to your broccoli. This is so heavenly, like you will love eating broccoli after watching this video. So this is it. I'll steep for like 10 minutes just to steam it up for like 10 minutes. And the second thing I add in this salad is carrots. Carrots are equally a lot of fiber based. Remember, this is a healthy weight loss salad recipe that you want to fill up your system, but with fiber that is raw fish, while helping you losing some weight but keeping you full, filled up as well, so you stay away from high calorie kind of meals. So this is it. 1 carrot, I equally steam it with a little bit of hot water as well, just to have it like not so raw but crunchy as well in the mouth. Try and you will love it so much, trust me. It would just be like food. It will not be so raw but so crunchy as well in the mouth. So while my carrot and broccoli are steaming up a little bit for 10 minutes, I'll be getting my avocado ready. Avocado contain healthy fats, amino acids to help fuel your system with energy while you burn fat. That is why healthy fats help you burn bad fats, because they fuel your system up with a lot of energy and they are equally very filling. So avocados are very filling and will help you lose those calories while keep giving your body that energy you need. So that is 1 avocado. So what I do very quickly is to take the water out of this broccoli, 1 stem of broccoli and 1 carrot. You just take the water out of them and voila, this is it, already so crunchy but not raw. Like if you are not on that raw side, you want to eat but still have those nutrients, trust me, you will fall in love with this salad. So you want to set that aside. And now I'll be adding some cucumbers in here. Cucumbers are very cleansing, very alkalizing, very good at supporting your system to detox and lose some weight, which is very good for this healthy weight loss salad. And yeah, so that is it. Slice up your cucumber. So I'm using half a cucumber, so it's depending the size, like that is the size of cucumber. Half a cucumber I'm using. You don't need, like, this is a whole large plate of goodness for lunch or dinner. So yeah, I'll be adding in some onion. So you want to get your onion, and I make my onion in such a way that it is not too acidic. So after I slice up my onions, I will show you what to do with your onions. If you don't really like that rawness of the onion, after you slice your onion, you add some water and a little bit of vinegar. That calms down that harsh acidity from the onions. And so I'll just leave it there for like 10 minutes just to get that acidity out a little bit, not too harsh. And now to the dressing. We want everything so healthy and fat burning, so I'll be using 1 lemon with a 1/4 cup of either yogurt or mayonnaise light, the one that has less calories. And so what you want to do is to squeeze out the juice from your lemon, and what we need is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This will act as your vinegar and equally help you to easily further break down all these ingredients in here and easily like facilitate that weight loss. So the more you eat this, the more you lose weight. So these are 2 tablespoons of lemon. I'm adding in the either mayonnaise or yogurt. So that is it in there. So today I'm using yogurt. Now you want to add in a little bit of honey for taste. Honey is healthy, so not sugar. Don't use sugar. You want to use 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of salt. You want to use some olive oil Olive oil too is a very healthy fat to help you burn bad fats. You want to put all healthy fats here, not vegetable oil but olive oil. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and some black pepper for taste, and equally black pepper helps to stimulate your system to burn fats. So everything in here is like helping you lose calories. Like the more you eat, the more you lose those calories. Yeah, so feel free and try this recipe. So yeah, we'll get to that. So this is the dressing. You just want to whisk to get it to a smooth consistency and you're good to go. So once you get your dressing, you measure. You don't want to eat everything all at once. Just scoop out the one you can put in your salad. So this is my bowl of salad. All the ingredients: the broccoli, carrot, onion, cucumber, avocado, and now my dressing. So you just put the dressing that is enough for you. This is so healthy. I don't restrict myself. I put enough because it is all fat burning but very yummy in the mouth as well. So look at it, so nice, so colorful, with different kinds of nutrients, vitamins and minerals from your different vegetables, and you get to enjoy your broccoli so yummy and nice in the mouth. Like, you want to try this recipe and you come back and tell me, oh Rita, I have to do this all the time. Like, this is so yummy and so healthy as well. So this is it. Serve it up in your plate and voila, you can have this as lunch, you can have it as dinner. Very filling. Like, all this loaded with a lot of fiber, and fiber keeps you so full while helping you lose several calories. So that is the trick of this. The fiber in here will facilitate you to lose those calories while keeping you full, so you don't feel like eating the wrong kinds of meals. Like, this is the healthy kind of lunch or dinner you want to try, and it will leave in nutrients into your system as well for a healthy life. Like, look at my tummy here. I'm not that tiny kind of person, but as well I am just in shape, not skinny but a healthy body size, no belly fat. As you can see, my tummy is down. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen my pictures. I don't have that chunky big belly I used to have before. I now have a beautiful body size because of my choice of things I eat. And this recipe I'm sharing with you today, trust me, you want to fall in love with it if you want to eat and lose weight. Like, you eat, the more you eat, the more you lose those calories and equally live in nutrients into your system for a very healthy life. Yeah, so let's be healthy. Let's pay attention to what we put in our system, because your health is your wealth. Like, you can never buy your health back if it gets bad. It is difficult. You spend a lot of money trying to recover your health, but you can be proactive by eating healthy now to prevent obesity and other health complications, yeah, while living in nutrients into your system. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.